Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. I'm so excited to tell you guys that we have reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for all your support, and I hope that you guys will continue to support Closkitchen. And also, welcome to the new subscribers. Now onto the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I make my rice and peas. So these are the ingredients we're going to use today for this recipe. I have 2 cups of long grain rice. I have some country crock butter, 1 can of coconut milk. I'm adding my pre-washed rice into a large pot. Then 4 teaspoons of green seasoning, next I'm adding my pre-cooked red beans that are not too hard or too soft. The next ingredient is the can of coconut milk, which I have shaken thoroughly before pouring it into the pot. I'm adding 1½ cup of water. I'm using a spatula to mix all my ingredients. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of butter, which will prevent the rice from sticking and also make the rice scattered. Next, I'm lightly sprinkling some onion powder. I'm doing the same with my garlic salt, as well as my seasoned salt. I'm using my spatula to mix all the ingredients. Now it is finally time to cook the rice and peas. Cover the pot and cook the rice on medium heat for 15 minutes, then simmer on low until the liquid has dried out of the rice. My rice and peas is cooked, and the rice is very scattered, just the way that it's supposed to be. I ate my rice and peas with some homemade baked jerk chicken. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.